Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie, and we're back with another vlog. Yeah! So today we're going to Lime Key, or should I say this afternoon. It's currently after 3. You see all the sky look, but some people just determined.
Nah, give up. Nah, give up.
Guys, you can't be too optimistic in a life. Yeah, sometimes you have to be realistic. So hopefully we get to Lime Key safely and come back same time, guys. You know, sun to set a winter now. So stay around, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
If you don't hear back from we in a half an hour or 2 hours time, please call the authority.
Please guys. Oh, I'm not even going to let's go.
Where the man?
She ever kill me.
Keep me safe, safe and sound.
We are still out. Some girl up on plane where we dey on boat. Some girl dey on yacht where we dey on boat. Fisherman boat, big up the fish them. And then parrot, and the snapper. Without you, this trip wouldn't be possible. You understand?
Let me up, hold down, keep me safe, safe and sound.
Are you interested in going to Lime Key? Well, you might be after watching this video. So let me just go ahead and give you some tips. There are multiple companies and local fishermen that do provide their boats for you to go to Lime Key. All you have to do is plan ahead of time, and if you're somebody who just spur of the moment, if you go to Port Royal, I'm sure you'll find a fisherman who can assist you in going to the island. Just to give you some perspective, when going out and seeking, we paid $2,000 per adult and $1,000 per child round trip. What should you bring to Lime Key? Bring everything that you're going to need. No shops over there, no bar, no bathroom, so bring everything that you're going to need for the duration of your stay. Also, it is very important that you personally have the contact number of the person who is coming to pick you up. There is network coverage over there, so you don't have to worry about that. Just ensure that you have a good battery life or walk with a power bank if necessary. On Sundays is definitely the most crowded day for Lime Key. So if you're someone who doesn't want to be there when there is a lot of noise and a lot of patrons, definitely go during the week. We made it, guys! You were afraid?
Thank you.
No.
Yes.
I wanted
Yes.
to, I didn't want to
You
go
were
there.
afraid.
No, I wasn't afraid.
You were afraid. Alright. I joke me because you were brave, right?
I wanted to go there because it sounded fun.
It sounds fun. more people actually come at this hour. We think so we did late. But apparently the sun don't set over Lime Key. Enjoying yourself, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, hear that? The tune starts, you know. Give me that. Yeah, yeah. Give me something now. Yeah. Yeah. I fear I'm mother do the TikTok them guys. Yeah, alright, alright.
Wow! Beautiful!
Baptism are going out here. I made it, y'all. Can you come up on my glasses? Yeah, but it hurt my eye because of the amount of gel from do the curl something and the salt. You see? Oh God. So when I add water to it, white? Yeah, that messy. Sorry fish. Guys, man, give what? What? You start going there yet? Water salty, guys.
You know you love me, right?
Alright, it's a natural shot, yeah.
Just wipe your eye and blink fast.
Burn me.
What the hell and blink fast?
That's how I do. Why my eye would work?
Yeah,
That was
yes. And blink fast. Blink fast. It works.
my tongue clean.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Under the water. But I'm just do it now when
Do it in the glasses. You think you will wash it? They are swim and go out. I don't even know what is that. East, west? Wrong direction if over your eye. But then never read. You think I'm cool, me? Alright. Take 3. No, ma, you move.
Yeah, go back.
No, you come towards me.
See how I get home? Whatever. Not bad. Nah, we there already. Guys, we're gonna race. And anybody win at them get an easy. You see me?
No! That sounds sus. That sounds sus.
Ready? Ready.
On your mark, get set, go! Stretch. You're right.
Yeah, my foot too hard.
Really?
I see you running now.
Hey, my
No, mommy, I see some foot I got stuck.
I'm gonna tell them I put my foot too hard.
I run down.
Yeah.
I'm going to go. I don't want my eye. I'm
which animal is in there with me around pan the girl?
Me can't see.
Guys, come over to the place where the sun don't set. In Kingston currently, it's dark. But over here, it is bright. Come over here, guys. See what people I'm leaving the island. Bye.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation.
Hey, we have a box me now. Really? You can't float in a pool. So but somebody has sing. If anybody can't come up.
Alright guys, we're heading in. What the island there?
Behind.
Assalam there dog. Yeah. Yes, mommy. Oh shit. Oh, guys, the ship. You know when the ship pass, it make the waves behind of it get rougher. So now we go through that. It's scary. Woo. At least we'll proceed again.
Alright guys, so we're going in. You brave, Cass? You brave? Alright. Guys, we reached. It's so dark. Thank God for a safe trip, man.
You've made it to the end of yet another fun vlog. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment what was your favorite part. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Guys, this day was really fun and I hope you enjoyed that from the vlog. Take care.